Hey everyone, again welcome back to this channel Home Education. I hope you all are really well. So as we have already done with overview of the course, so today we will proceed in detail one by one and make sure that you are fully concentrated on the topic because this chapter is full of examples. So you have to give quality time to this chapter Animal Kingdom. So let's recap first of all that we have already done in overview of the course. I hope you remember the classification of Animal Kingdom. How many classification of Animal Kingdom? Like Porifera, Coelenterate, Platyhelminths, Escarpments, Annelida, Orthopoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata, Chordate. सो वी विल स्टडी कि ये सारे फाइलम्स क्लासिफाइड क्यों किया गया है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट इज़ द बेसिस ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन? Differences in structure, fundamental features, arrangement of cells, body symmetry, nature of coelom, patterns of digestive system, circulatory system or reproductive system. So the finally outcome will be level of organization. As we know that our body is made up of cell. सबसे पहले cell, then comes to tissues, then organ system, and then finally body. So if we talk about level of organization, it may possible in any organisms that they form aggregate of cell और कुछ cell का aggregate मिलकर they will perform a function, then we can call it an organisms, and such organisms called cellular level organisms. For example, sponges. So in the same manner, if tissue will aggregate and perform function, then it is known as tissue level organisms. For example, coelenterate. And if some organs will perform together and perform function, then it will be organ level organisms, organ level organization. For example, platyhelminths. And likewise organ system, सारे organs साथ में मिलकर function perform करेंगे, then we call it complete organisms. Examples we will discuss later, so don't worry for that. And circulatory system. In circulatory system, try to understand the fundamental scene of circulatory system, ki how they work in our body. Proper arteries and veins are there for circulation. Oxygenated, deoxygenated blood through arteries and vein respectively. But in the case of cockroach, Periplaneta americana, organs are directly bathed in it. As NCRT said, that is something different. So in lower organisms in phylum of animal kingdom, generally we see open circulatory system, means ki no artery, no veins. And in the case of higher organisms, they have proper arteries and veins, means ki closed circulatory system. So this is about the circulatory system, open type and closed type. And next now comes to symmetry. If you cut any organisms into two separate parts, and those two parts will be identical to each other, just like mirror images. So symmetry means ki if you cut from between, everything happen to be precised. Now symmetry, radial symmetry means any random line which is passing through the center, known as radial symmetry. And asymmetry exist नहीं करते हैं, जैसे organism will develop, asymmetry will also develop. So in the case of like in higher organisms, you will find bilateral symmetry, but in the case of lower organisms, you cannot find any symmetry. Now comes to last, we have two types of organisms, diploblastic and triploblastic animal. I hope you know about germ layer. अगर नहीं पता तो मैं बताती हूँ. For example, for fertilization, sperm and egg are required. After fission, both single cell will start dividing. मोरुला ब्लास्टुला का कुछ सीन होता है. फिर at the end क्या होता है कि 3 germ layer will be formed. That is ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Germ layer means that can germinate in any cell, and that is the reason to call them germ cell. So diploplastic organisms have only 2 germ layer, that is ectoderm and endoderm. And a triploblastic organism have all 3 layer, ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. And mesoderm is derived from mesogilia. Earlier this mesoderm was mesogilia. So triploblastic organism evolved from diploblastic organisms. Here we can see evolution. So that's all about this particular lesson, and stay tuned for upcoming lessons. And thank you so much for watching. And अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो please subscribe this channel, and don't forget to like and share. So thank you so much.